What's up, everyone? Today I just want to come in and talk to you very quickly about what happened yesterday. Now, basically what you're looking at is students walking through the school and being celebrated for their success. One thing I love about the graduation walk is that students get to go through the entire school.
No! Oh, you're too kind.
Celebrating their success. They get to see old teachers, and for me it was awesome because even though I've been only at this school for 4 years, I was able to run into people and students that I had an opportunity to build connections with, and those moments made me so happy. Seeing the excitement on their face and the excitement on my face, just to see them walking through with the gowns, walking through with their hats, was amazing. And with all of that, honestly, a message to you students out there who are graduating, going off into college or into business or whatever it is you're doing, do exactly what makes you happy. Do not allow others to dictate what it is you want to do in life or want to explore. Go out there and do exactly what it is that inspires you. It doesn't matter if it's your friends, your parents, your teachers. It all comes down to what you want to do. Congratulations, class of 2019. Peace.